Today I will show you how to delete workflow on n8n, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your n8n account, and once you're in your n8n account, this is what the dashboard should look like. You're gonna go to Open Instance, and in Open Instance, you can see your workflows. Now, the first thing you need to do before you can delete a workflow is to go to you find the workflow and you go to the three dots that are on the right of the workflow. Now, from here, you're going to choose Archive. And once you're archived, you can see that the n8n workflow has been removed from the list of workflows. Now, you're going to go to this filter icon and you click on it, and at the bottom of the tags, you're going to see show archived workflows. You click on show archived workflows, and you should see the archive workflows in a more of a dimmed down background. Now it's going to state archived also at the end of it. Now from here, what you can do is you're going to click on these three dots here, and you can see delete. And once you click on delete, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete the AI agent workflow permanently? You're going to click on yes, delete, and your workflow should be deleted from your list. Now that's how to delete workflow on n8n. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.